How to buy bnbxy token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on with this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 9 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 2 in the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, open your BitGet wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token in the search bar. So after that, what you need to do, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called bnbxy or bnbxy, sorry. So after that, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example EZT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see now, here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy bnbxy token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.